My name is Yanni Dimitriadis. I work for a company called IAVRA, which is short for the International Association of Vacation Rental Agents. Basically, I am responsible for sales, is probably my main job description. So recruiting property agents onto the website, and so making sure they've got good portfolios, offer great services, and are happy to work with travel agents. And then on the other side of things, it's also kind of customer relationship management with travel agents. So making sure that they know how to use the website and are kind of introducing them into the vacation rental industry as a kind of new product that they can start offering to the end clients. We are a B2B online platform that basically makes properties, villas, chalets, apartments, any kind of self-catered managed property available to travel agents. So all the kind of tools that they need to access the properties from vetted and professional managers and offer it directly to their clients while obviously earning a commission. We're just expanding, so we currently cover 51 countries with properties in all those destinations, and so we're really kind of trying to increase that portfolio and just really be the kind of global hub for anyone in the travel trade looking for vacation rentals. It's obviously one of the kind of most diverse and fun industries you can work in. You get to go to different countries, you get to work with different people. There's so many different kind of areas of it as well, and working very closely to travel agents and suppliers at the same time gives you a great perspective on kind of both areas and just how it's constantly developing. I'm working for quite a new company and we're still in the startup phase, so I'm really motivated by obviously, what I'm doing. It's great selling a product that I believe that works, and kind of the constantly changing, and obviously when something works, it's really motivating to keep doing it and moving forward, and that's kind of what's been driving me at the minute, just the kind of success that's been happening, and being a small team, you get direct recognition for that. So I'm going to be a little bit biased there because I'm going to have to say Greece, being Greek. I think that ties in with my favorite kind of cuisine, and so it's it's got the beach, it's got a great culture, it's got a really good life. So Greece is definitely kind of quite high up there. There's a fact that I go there every year, but I love everywhere.